Meaning of expensively.
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 Expensively. Expensively is an adverb that describes the manner in which something is done or purchased at a high cost. It suggests that the item or action is luxurious, high-end, or beyond what most people can afford. The term implies that quality or uniqueness are prioritized over affordability. For example, someone might say they bought an expensively tailored suit, indicating that it was custom-made with high-quality materials and craftsmanship, resulting in a luxurious end product. Overall, expensively indicates that cost is a significant factor in the decision-making process, and quality or status are prioritized over budget.